How to add transitions in KineMaster. First of all, open the KineMaster app and either create a new project or open an existing one. Once you are in the editing workspace with your video clips on the timeline, look for the small black box icon between two clips. This box represents the transition area. Tap on that box to open the transition menu. You will see a variety of transition effects like fade, wipe, slide, zoom, and more. Browse through the available transitions and tap on the one you want to apply. You can preview the effect immediately. After selecting the transition, you can adjust its duration by dragging the slider to make it faster or slower. If you want to remove a transition, simply tap the transition box again and choose the None option. Repeat this process for all the clips where you want to add smooth transitions between scenes. When you are happy with your edits, tap the export icon to save or share your video project. Now you know how to add transitions in KineMaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.